Riley ahau. I am Riley.
I'm Water at WINTON School, called Charlie ahau. I am Charlie. Welcome to the N.E.W.S news. We're now up the 22nd of February.
On to the health and safety news. The clear sky UV forecast for today is moderate from 11 till 3.
So remember your potae at interval and lunchtime. You're going to need it. Kia ora.
Kapa Haka is on tomorrow for the seniors. Please go to the hall at 12:30 with your lunch. Birthday news. Nobody at Winton today, but keep posted for the next one.
Winton fun runners, bikers and hawakers. Hope the training is going well. It's not long till the big day.
I hear Miss Lang was spotted out for a jog last night. Kids, can you beat your teachers?
And that's it from everyone here at the N.E.W.S news team. Ka kite a popo. See you tomorrow.
Haere rā and stay sharp, Winton School.